Chris MacManus of MacManus Asset Finance. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about tax loans and specifically why businesses might want to use them, how they work, and how that can benefit you. So it's January 2024. We've just come off the back of Christmas. We're into a new year. And at the end of this month, a lot of businesses will be faced with a triple hit of tax payments. It might be that you're on a VAT cycle, which means you've got a VAT payment due at the start of February. You may have a corporation tax bill due at the end of January. And if you've got self-assessment tax to pay, that's also due at the end of January. So this triple hit is all coming at possibly the toughest time of the year. Off the back of Christmas, a lot of businesses have cash flow challenges at this time of year. A recent survey found that at the moment in the UK, over 500,000 UK business owners find that tax payments when they fall due are causing cash flow pressures. So what can we do about that? Well, there is one really bespoke product that is out there within our portfolio of products, which is tax loans. How do they work? So a tax loan is simply a term loan that you use to pay your tax bill on time when it falls due. This can be arranged on a 3 to 12 month payment period, depending on the type of tax that you require paying. For example, if it's a VAT liability that you have, these are typically termed over a 3-month period to fall in with your VAT quarterly cycle. But corporation tax and self-assessment tax can be done from periods from 3 to 12 months, and you can spread that cost over the year. So why would you do that? Well, maybe you're in a position where just paying that lump sum of tax immediately is going to cause you a cash flow headache, and that might just be something that you'd like to avoid. What are your options in that situation? So if you are in that challenging position, you could speak to HMRC and get time to pay, and they may help you out and give you a period of time to repay your tax payments. Alternatively, you might have used that avenue before and HMRC aren't as willing to be as helpful this time around. But one thing to think about with time to pay arrangements is if you're in the market for other forms of business finance and you're in some form of time to pay arrangement, that can and does affect your ability to get finance in other areas. Lenders will look at your position with regards to your tax status when they're formulating their decision as to whether they can advance you any more money. So with our tax loans, we can ensure that you can pay HMRC on time when it falls due, so that you're not in any time to pay arrangements with them. You then spread the cost over 3 months if it's a VAT payment, or a longer period if it's for self-assessment or for corporation tax. And that means that you're up to date, you're not in time to pay. So if you are looking for other funding in the market moving forward, that's one less thing for you to worry about. The process for applying is really, really simple. We've got a number of lenders that offer this product, and they've made it as simple as they can for us to do it. What we do effectively is look for certain key financial documents, so latest accounts, latest management accounts if you have them, and the last 3, sometimes 6 months of bank statements. And from that, we can then get the application into underwriting for you, and the decision normally comes back within about 4 or 5 days. Minimum tax loan facilities are £10,000, but there is no upper threshold with the lenders we have available. The largest that we've done to date is over £1.5 million. So regardless of the size of your tax liability, we are keen that we could help you, and we'd be delighted to put some quotes together for you to see how that might look for you moving forward. So that's a very brief summary of the tax loan proposition. I hope you found that helpful. Please get in touch with us in the office on 01443 800 621, and we'd be happy to help. Or if you like, you can email us at info@macmanus.finance, and we'd be delighted to help you with that there. Thank you.